earthquake of magnitude 4.6 occurred only 19 minutes ago 45 kilometers west of Guaymas, Mexico, the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, reported. The quake hit at a moderately shallow depth of 40 kilometers beneath the epicenter near Guaymas, Sonora, Mexico, in the morning on Saturday, August 6, 2022, at 9:08 a.m. local time. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. Our monitoring service identified a second report from the Citizen Seismograph network of Raspberry Shake which listed the quake at magnitude 4.5. A third agency, the German Research Center for Geosciences, GFZ, reported the same quake at magnitude 4.5.